Hello there, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Eileen. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am super excited to share with you these 3 Christmas DIY projects. Yeah, so let's get started. For the first DIY, you need this deer from Dollar Tree, and to remove the glitters, I soak it in warm water for 5 to 10 minutes. And this is plastic, so you will not hurt the material. Then I use a plastic scraper to remove the glitters. And as you can see, the glitters is slimy and it's very easy to remove. Then tada! This is our deer. I also removed the glitters at the back. And then I grab my Waverly chalk paint called the Crimson. And I will be painting the deer red and the antler black. So I'm using this masking tape to separate the antler from the head. Then it looks like this, and I will just set that aside. I also grabbed these bells from Dollar Tree. I'm so happy because it's black and red, but the lace that came with it doesn't go well with the deer, so I'm changing it with this nylon black and white thread and I just hot glued the top of the bell, and I wasn't happy with the gold color, so I painted it with the burnt umber acrylic paint. Then I just hot glue it on the neck of the deer. Then I just apply a small amount of hot glue on the neck. Then I just wrap around the thread on the neck of the deer. Then I also love this pink silicone finger protector that I've got from Dollar Tree. So if you see that, grab it because it will save your finger from burning. Then you can also use the peace sign to decorate your deer, or the believe metal sign, but I will be using this window clings from Walmart. I'm so in love with this window clings, and I am not a fan with the plastic border, so I'm cutting it. Then for the word happy, I will be using this rub-on transfer from Dollar Tree. Then I use a good amount of matte Mod Podge to attach the holiday window cling, and I also put some Mod Podge on top of the deer to seal the paint and the letterings. Here I am attaching a simple bow, but at the end I remove it, so you can skip this part. And I have this super cute ribbon that I got from Big Lots. It's $2. It has a deer on it, and I just hot glue it on the back of the deer. And also I create a loop at the top so that it won't swing around too much when I put this on the door or a window. Then I made a simple bow using my buffalo check ribbon, then hot glue it on top. This is the time that I remove the ribbon on the neck because it doesn't go well with the ribbon. So I changed it with the berries, and this is our first DIY. Oops, I decided to draw some snowflakes, so yeah, to add more details. And I really love how it turned out, and ta-da! We're actually done with the first DIY. So what do you think? I really like it. I hope you like it too. And I have a good news for you because this video is a part of a fun Christmas collab created by my friend Heidi Sonboul called the Friend Friday Hop. Once you finish this video, there will be a link in the description box below to hop over to the next creator's video. Also, there's going to be an amazing giveaway. Yeah, so to enter, just leave a comment below. It's that easy, but don't go anywhere yet because I have some more DIY ideas to show you. Let's proceed to DIY number 2. For our second DIY, you need this small jar. I think I grabbed this 2 months ago, but you can also find some Christmas jars at Dollar Tree right now. And you can skip this part and just use the back of the jar, but I'm doing it the hard way. And I'm trying to use the front of the jar here. And not bad the result. I just painted it using my white line and chalk paint. And to make the drying faster, I use my hair dryer. And I will put the word eat, drink, and be merry using these black stickers from Dollar Tree. I really like this. Yeah, so if you see black stickers, just grab it. They're very useful. I lay out the letters first before adhering them to the jar. Then to add more details on the jar, I use this rub-on. I will be cutting these olive leaves. Then I just rub it on to the jar. I was very careful when I peel this off since the leaves are so small. And I also apply Mod Podge on top of the jar to seal everything. Then I hot glue a piece of burlap. This burlap is from Dollar Tree. I cannot believe I found this burlap. It's like 9 feet long and it's only $1. Then I just hot glue the burlap on the jar. And after that, I also added this red snowflakes ribbon from Dollar Tree. Then to make the olives more Christmassy, I use my red acrylic paint to add some berries in. It looks really good. And to add more details, I'm removing some greeneries from the ornament from Dollar Tree. I just hot glue it on the jar. Then you are almost done with the second DIY. Just add a simple twine bow, then you're done. Then here is our second DIY. It's very easy and very cute. I hope you like it. the third DIY, you need this gold basket from Dollar Tree, and I spray painted it with this Krylon matte black, and here it is painted. I also be using this Merry Christmas letter kit from Hobby Lobby. It's $3.99, but I got it for 50% off. So it's only $2. And I lightly painted the letters with the white line and chalk paint. I was so careful not to paint the sides because I like the shadow effect it gives. So I just gave it 2 coats. And so we're done painting the letters in my hand. And I will be adding this black felt that I have on hand. I cut it into size, then I was deciding if I was going to attach it with hot glue. I tried it. I tried to research how to attach the felt on the aluminum. Some say you can use spray glue. I tried this spray glue from Dollar Tree and it did not work. So let me know on the comment below if you tried using this spray glue from Dollar Tree. Did it work for you? Because I waited 20 minutes and it did not work. So here, finally I just hot glued the felt on the basket, and I just flipped it and added one more felt to secure it. Then after that, I just laid out the Merry Christmas and attached it using the super glue gel and added a little bit of hot glue, and I did this with all the letters. After attaching all the letters, I will be using this floral foam and zip ties. I don't have a long zip tie, so I improvised by connecting 2 zip ties and it works well. And then I added this 2 lamp ear from Walmart. You can add any greeneries that you have. Dollar Tree carries pretty greeneries, so you can add those. Then I will be adding this ribbon that I've got from Joann's. It was 50% off. Then I will make a bow. There are so many ways how to make bows, and this is my way how to make it. And I do not consider myself an expert on making bows. I just do it a lot, so my hand is used to getting those loops. And here's some tips if you like. First, use wired ribbon because it's easier to manipulate. And second, make an even number of loops and twist it on opposite sides. And lastly, just practice, 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 and you will gonna get it. Yeah, or just watch a lot of YouTube tutorial on making bows too. Yeah. Then I just attached the bow on the floral foam. Do not put a lot of hot glue on the floral foam because it will gonna melt. Then after that, I added more berries and more details on the sign. Then I added this cute bird from Dollar Tree, and I also went out to pick up some branches. I added it to fill up all the gaps. And also I added these snowflake woodcuts from Dollar Tree. I painted it white and added it. I will hang this sign, so I put a ribbon, same ribbon that I used for the bow, on the wire between the 2 felts. Then I added the twine with hot glue, and the hot glue cannot carry all the weight, so I stapled the twine on the ribbon. And you can stop right here and it looks like this. Or if you like, you can also decorate the top of the basket, and I will show you in a minute. And here's another way to decorate it. Just grab a Christmas pick with the clip and just clip it on the ribbon. And tada! It's really beautiful, and I think this is my favorite. Let me know on the comment below what's your favorite. And also you can be more extravagant and add this big bow on top. Yeah, so that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. And again, thanks to all of my amazing subscribers. See you on my next DIY guys. Bye bye, take care, and God bless you all.